Hey guys, today I want to talk a little bit about nutrition. Particularly, I want to talk about processed food versus unprocessed food. So in May of last year, the National Institute of Health did a study comparing processed food versus unprocessed food and like what the effects would have for somebody on a diet rich in processed food, somebody that has a diet rich in unprocessed food. They took 10 men and 10 women and they put them together, like locked them together for 28 days and completely controlled what they ate. So they split the group in two. Half of the group for 2 weeks ate only processed food. The other half of the group for 2 weeks ate only unprocessed food, and then they switched. And what they found was, regardless of which group was doing what, they found that the group that was eating processed food gained an average of 2 pounds over 2 weeks, and the unprocessed food group, they lost an average of 2 pounds over that 2 week span. What's even crazier is the processed food group, they were eating an average of 500 calories per day more than the group that was eating the unprocessed food. A lot of time, effort, and resources goes into making processed foods as palatable as they are. The way they taste, the way they smell, the way they feel in your mouth, the way the packaging looks. All of this stuff is made to lend itself to overconsumption of these foods. And that's why it's very important to control and monitor your consumption of these foods, especially if you're not somebody who really wants to closely monitor exactly how many calories they're eating, which is a lot of people, and that's completely okay. But trying to avoid processed food as much as you can is a great way to kind of naturally control the amount of food that you're eating. And for more details about this study, because there's a lot of really interesting details, you can read the caption.